All right, guys, welcome back. Here we go. Subaru STI EJ25. Finally, I got all the parts now. So this video is gonna quickly show you guys how to install this head gasket with head bolts. We're gonna torque it to spec. So I did this one already on the driver's side. This is done. It's all torqued to spec. Brand new head bolts right there. So let's quickly show you guys on the passenger side right here. So just gonna quickly spin this engine out. All right, so here's a passenger side. We're just gonna quickly clean up the deck of this head. It's nice and clean already. All right, we're back on the bench. Here's the head right here. It's always nice and clean already. Lube up those buckets, clean the ports, clean the bottom of the deck. It's all nice and clean. All right, so here's the torque spec right here. We're just gonna quickly go over. So make sure oiled up the brand new head bolts. Okay, all the way to the tread to the washer. First tighten up 25 foot-pounds, and then after that 70, and then you loosen it up to 180 in reverse order, and then just snug it up 7 foot-pounds again, and then 22 foot-pounds. After that 51.6, and then tight the bolts 80 to 90 degrees, so you go 70 in between, and then after that 40 to 45 on order. Okay, so this is the order we're doing. This is the driver's side right here. You can tell, cut the corner, and this is the passenger side. That's the order A, B, C, D, E, F. That's the order that we're gonna torque that. Same thing with the angle torque. All right, so after 40 to 45 degree, you torque another 40 to 45 degree, just the A and B, so that would be just the middle. So we go 70 all together, all the bolts, and then 45 is the next all together, and then the last step another 45 for just the A and B. That's about it. So make sure don't go over 90 degree. The step 10 up to step 11, that's 45 plus 45, that's 90. So make sure you don't go over. All right, so enough saying that. So let's go put this head on the block. All right, guys, brand new head bolts right here. If you care about the part numbers, right there, all the way from Subaru. Yeah, so just a regular oil, engine oil. Just dip it in here. Get it simmered up. And same thing on the head and washer. Make sure that thing get drowned on the oil. There you go. Oil her up. All right, so first let's just bottom this bolt down out all the way to the bottom. So what I use is 12 points, 14 mil socket right here, 12 points. Bottom it out. Alright guys, the last step, A and B, the two bolts in the middle, 45 degree on those two. So torque this head bolt, 45 degree. All right, there we go. 45 degree is the last 2 bolts right in the middle. All right, guys, so that's it. Torque to spec. Head gasket installed. Head bolt are all torque. I did a video on short videos on this oil pump right here. Did a quick video, so check that out. Okay, so next step will be we're gonna put all the intake exhaust cams right there, lube it up, torque this to spec, and then all the sprockets for both sides, and then we'll put oil, cover it up with oil. Then we'll put the valve cover after, torque to spec, silicone the bottom here, the side right there, silicone. And then after that, put the half cover for the timing belt, and then we'll put the timing belt and then all the sprockets and tensioner, torque to spec. I got a special tool gonna show you guys. There's a special tools to hold the sprocket right here. Finally came in. So stay tuned on that video. But for now, quick video. There's a lot of video how to do this head bolts and head gasket install, but this is just a quick videos for you guys to do. So that's it. Stay tuned, thumbs up, like the video. See you guys again on the next one.